University of Otago Student Leadership Award it's an extended leadership development program, but it's not for the students who want to get in there and be the boss of everything. It's definitely for the students who want to work on their leadership skills and their leadership practice for social change as opposed to self-gain. And it's, I guess, a bit of a journey into one's identity and education of your whole self, and complementing the things that students learn in a formal environment, but also recognising that students do a lot of voluntary community work as well, and combining those two and looking at them through a lens of leadership development. We love working with Canon to run the Leadership Award. There's this natural synergy between Canon's underlying philosophy of Kyose, which is living and working together for the common good, and then that the social impact, social change co-pupper of the Leadership Award as well.
The reason I chose the award, growing up I've always wanted to do leadership roles, so I applied for house captain when I was going through intermediate and high school, and then head boy roles and stuff like that as well. So I've always been passionate about doing leadership, but I guess also looking at the wider program, looking at volunteering and stuff like that. For me it was a way to engage with different activities, try new activities, especially moving down from Taranaki, which is quite far from Dunedin, so it was quite difficult for me to come down and ground myself in a completely new place.
When I first got the email, it seemed really just interesting, and I was like, yo, that looks mean, let's do it. And then I applied for it and I was like, oh damn, what did I just do to myself? But yeah, it was mainly the interest factor, but also coming out of high school, I had quite a few leadership awards and roles as well within the music department, which is kind of like my area before I came to uni. And yeah, I just wanted to know like what it would mean to be like a good leader.
Canon's been involved with the university since the early 90s. It provided print services, and then I think it's in 2018 it became the sole provider of print services for the university under the government all-of-one contract. So I think in recent years Canon has supplied all of that for the staff as well as students. And when they first started getting involved with us, they spent time talking to us about supporting students, so it's always been at the forefront of their involvement as a partnership. So back in the day they used to provide scholarships for the business school, and obviously that's progressed through to hands-on, which was hands-on at Science and then became hands-on at Otago, and then more recently they've helped sponsor the Social Impact Studio. Yeah, so it's a long history, but I think it's a great history, one that we both enjoy.